Man, this movie is really funny. Where's Phil and Jameson? They should be here watching this with us.
They went to that crappy old bar where they always go to. I think Rock Band is better because it has more participation in it than Guitar Hero.
But Rock Band is so expensive, and who has the room for all that stuff?
Why don't you guys just buy real instruments? Why don't you go buy a shut the hell up machine? Hey, is that the SuperBad? I want to see that movie so super badly. Too bad you suck ass and we don't want you here. Actually, I mostly suck head. Do you want me to suck on your head? You can suck on this, McSuckin'. Do you hear something? What the hell is that?
What are you talking about? I don't hear. Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Get this fucker off me. My pleasure. I think you killed them both. Did you really need to bring out the AK?